Welcome back, students. This is part 2 of the topic Maths Library Function. Let us start with our next function, that is floor function. Floor function is just opposite to the ceil. Here we were supposed to return, means the ceil function is supposed to return the smallest integer not less than the number, and it is supposed to return the largest integer not greater than the नंबर. मतलब वो बड़े से बड़ा इंटीजर जो कि नंबर से खुद ग्रेटर नहीं हो. यहाँ था कि नंबर से छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ हम कह रहे हैं नंबर से बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. फाइन. सी same example it is taking here. 1.03 you were taking here, and also floor function it is taking 1.03. तो नंबर से बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए वो लार्जेस्ट इंटीजर, दैट इज 1.0. यहाँ पे बोलता था कि नंबर से क्या नहीं होना चाहिए, छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए. नंबर से छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए तो 2.0. यहाँ नंबर से बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए तो 2.0 तो हो नहीं सकता है. सो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 1.0. सिमिलर इज द केस हेयर. यहाँ पे क्या बोलता था, नंबर से कम नहीं होना चाहिए. नंबर से कम नहीं होना चाहिए तो -1. यहाँ पे नंबर से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए तो -2. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग मी. ओके, नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज log. Log function is basically used to calculate the natural log for the number that you will be providing. Fine. So log is always the inverse of the exponential. Whatever things you are expressing in terms of e can also be expressed in logarithms. Fine. So here you have two arguments, num and base. See how to use this log function. For that you need to supply this number and the base. So what is base and the number? See, let us say I am representing 2 raised power 6 is 64. So how to represent this in the form of log? So you will write log base 2 will be here, and raised to the power equal to जो भी होगा वो number होगा आपका. If so, this is your number that you need to provide here, and this is your base that you need to provide here. Then it will give you log of it. Fine. So we can write this way. This particular equation can be written in the form of this. Fine. So I hope you are understanding. Similar is the case with log 10. See, here the base was your option. One thing left, condition that you must keep in mind. Here the number that you are using should not be negative. Means you cannot pass a negative number of whose logarithms is to be calculated, and the base cannot be 0. You need to keep in mind number cannot be negative and base cannot be 0. Now in this case here the base is fixed. Base is already defined, it is 10. ठीक है, our number system base is 10. So if you are taking base 10 by default, so you just need to provide the number value. Fine. Log 10 64, so 10 is fixed. You just need to give the argument 64 here, and it will give you the value for it. Fine. So difference between this and this is just that ki number you need to provide here, the base also you are giving, but here the base is fixed, that is 10. Next is your power. Function is basically used to calculate the power. Like I want to calculate power 2 raised power 4, so I need to pass two things, base and the exponential. Like 2 raised power 3 I want to calculate, so you just need to supply values like 4 is to 2, 4 raised power 2, so you need to write 4 comma 2, it will give you 16 as output. Next function is sine function. Sine, cos, tan, we all know these are mathematical geometrical terms. Here we need to provide an angle, and mind it, the angle will always be given in radians. Fine. Then only it will give you the correct answer, otherwise your answer will be wrong. So you just need to give the value of the angle in terms of radians, and it will give you value of sine theta, cos theta, and similarly the tan theta. Fine. Our next function is degrees. See, if you want to convert the radians, the value of angle which is in radians, to the degrees, then you need to use this function. Similarly, if you want to convert degrees to radians, then you need to pass x, the value of degree in this function it will convert it into radians. F mode function is basically used to calculate the modulus. Modulus is basically used to for what we are using modulus is basically used to calculate the remainder. This modulus we are using. F modulus, what is the difference between mod and F mode? Difference is ki F mode can be used for two numbers which are in floating point, like we divide 2 by 3 and remainder we want to get. Here we are giving two floating point values or one floating another number value. Then also if you want to get calculate the remainder, that will be given with the help of this particular function. If you want to calculate factorial of a given number, then you need to write the value of a particular number here and it will give you the factorial. जैसे कि 4 का factorial is 24. If you want to calculate HCF is also known as GCD. So if you want to calculate GCD, you need to provide these two arguments like 8 and 6. Whatever argument you will be calculating, you will be getting as an answer. I hope the things are clear. Thank you so much.